IndusInd Bank's derivatives hit a setback, not a crisis like NICB. This story is narrated by Dr. V.V.L.N. Shastri, jurist, international arbitrator, financial economist and Fulbright scholar. Based on his narration, I am in turn providing you this information. My name is Ms. Shirley, AI assistant of Dr. V.V.L.N. Shastri. Key points with reference to IndusInd Bank. Research suggests IndusInd Bank faces issues from forex derivatives discrepancies, impacting net worth by about 2.35% equivalent to 1,530 crore rupees, causing stock price drops. It seems likely that IndusInd Bank's overall financial health remains strong, with a capital adequacy ratio of 16.46% and low non-performing assets, 0.68%. The evidence leans toward the New India Cooperative Bank collapse being unrelated, as it's a cooperative bank with fraud issues, while IndusInd is a private bank with accounting errors. An unexpected detail is that the RBI confirmed IndusInd's issue is isolated, not industry-wide, despite general banking anxiety post-NICB collapse. Background on banking concerns. Following a collapse of New India Cooperative Bank due to a 122 crore rupees fraud, depositors have grown anxious about banking stability, especially in cooperative banks. This has led to broader concerns about trusting banks, prompting questions about the financial health of other institutions like IndusInd Bank. IndusInd Bank's specific issue. IndusInd Bank recently disclosed accounting discrepancies in its forex derivatives portfolio, estimated to impact its net worth by approximately 2.35% or around 1,530 crore rupees. This issue, uncovered during an internal review, stems from mismatches in how derivative trades were accounted for internally versus externally, leading to a significant drop in its stock price by over 27% on 11th March 2025. Financial soundness of IndusInd Bank. Despite this issue, IndusInd Bank's financial metrics remain robust. As of 31st December 2024, it has a capital adequacy ratio of 16.46%, well above regulatory requirements, and net non-performing assets at 0.68%, with a provision coverage ratio of 70%. Deposits grew by 11% year-on-year to 4,09,438 crores rupees and advances by 18.41% year-on-year, indicating strong operational performance. Connection to New India Cooperative Bank. The New India Cooperative Bank collapse, involving fraud and regulatory curbs, is distinct from IndusInd Bank's accounting issue. NICB is a cooperative bank, while IndusInd is a private sector bank, subject to different regulatory oversight. The RBI has confirmed that IndusInd's issue is specific and not industry-wide, alleviating concerns of systemic risk. Survey note: detailed analysis of IndusInd Bank and banking stability concerns. This survey note provides a comprehensive examination of the issues surrounding IndusInd Bank, particularly in light of the recent New India Cooperative Bank (NICB) collapse, and assesses IndusInd Bank's financial soundness. The analysis is based on available data as of 20th March 2025 and aims to address depositor concerns and provide clarity on the broader banking landscape. Context: the New India Cooperative Bank collapse. The collapse of New India Cooperative Bank, a Mumbai-based urban cooperative bank, has significantly impacted depositor confidence. The bank faced regulatory action by the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) due to a 122 crore rupees fraud involving its former general manager, Hitesh Mehta, who allegedly embezzled funds from the bank's safe. This led to the RBI imposing strict curbs, including banning new loans and investments, restricting deposit withdrawals for 6 months, effective from 13 February 2025. Details from New India Cooperative Bank scan. first ever fraud carried out entirely in cash indicate that the fraud involved siphoning off depositor money and lending it off books to developers, with investigations ongoing. The RBI's actions, including appointing an administrator and forming a committee of advisors, were aimed at protecting depositors. This event has heightened anxiety, particularly in the cooperative banking sector, with 1,472 urban cooperative banks (UCBs) holding 5,55,469 crore rupees in deposits as of March 2024, and some facing critically low capital ratios. IndusInd Bank's specific issue: Forex derivatives discrepancy. IndusInd Bank, a private sector bank and the fifth largest in India, serving over 40 million customers, recently disclosed accounting discrepancies in its forex derivatives portfolio. This was uncovered during an internal review, with the bank estimating an adverse impact of 2.35% on its net worth, amounting to approximately 1,530 crore rupees as of 31st December 2024. The discrepancy arose from mismatches in accounting practices. The bank internally hedged forex borrowers using derivative contracts with its trading desk, which then hedged externally in the market. External trades were marked to market, affecting profit and loss (P&L), while internal trades were accounted for using swap cost accounting, affecting the asset book instead of P&L. This issue, reported on 10 March 2025, led to a 27% crash in share price on 11 March 2025, hitting a 52-week low, and has raised concerns about internal controls and governance. Financial soundness of IndusInd Bank. Despite the derivatives issue, IndusInd Bank's financial metrics indicate robustness. Capital adequacy ratio crossed 16.46% as of 31st December 2024, well above the regulatory minimum of 12%. Net non-performing assets (NPA) 0.68%, with a provision coverage ratio of 70%, indicating adequate provisioning for stressed assets. Deposits and advances. Deposits grew by 11% year-on-year to 4,09,438 crores rupees, and advances by 18.41% year-on-year, reflecting strong growth. Net interest margin (NIM 3). Net profit 1,402 crores rupees for Q3 FY25, though slightly lower than 1,331 crores rupees in Q2 FY25, adjusted for contingent provisions. The bank is India's second largest microfinance lender through its subsidiary, Bharat Financial Inclusion Limited (BFIL), serving over 13 million customers. Analyst reactions and market impact. Analysts have reacted negatively to the derivatives discrepancy, with several downgrading the stock and cutting target prices. Nuvama Institutional Equities downgraded to reduce, with a target price of 750 rupees, expecting a potential loss in Q4 FY25 impacting earnings by 25%. Other brokerages, such as Elara Capital, highlighted concerns about weak internal controls, with the RBI's one-year extension for CEO Sumant Katpania seen as a signal of discomfort with leadership. The stock has seen volatility, with a 58% decline from its peak of 1,576 rupees and 35 paise, but recent reports suggest stabilization, with the RBI reassuring depositors of fund security. Connection to New India Cooperative Bank and depositor concerns. While the NICB collapse has fueled general banking anxiety, it is distinct from IndusInd Bank's issue. NICB's problems were fraud-related, affecting cooperative banks. IndusInd Bank's issue is an accounting error, not fraud, and the RBI has confirmed it is isolated, not systemic. Conclusion and recommendations. IndusInd Bank's derivatives discrepancy is a significant but isolated issue, not linked to the fraud at New India Cooperative Bank. While it has impacted investor confidence and stock prices, the bank's financial soundness remains intact, with strong capital ratios and growth metrics. But the RBI's oversight suggests no immediate systemic risk. Thank you for your interest in the subject. For more such videos, subscribe to this channel and do not forget and share and like. Bye bye.